Greetings. Yeah, today I want to show a bit of a small thing about how to use real life uh, shutter speed settings from real camera in Solaris camera. Okay, first of all, what do I have? I have animated Tommy from 0 to 120. I have basic background, camera, light, motion blur, and rendering settings. Nothing special. Well, first of all, when going forward, there's a bit of extra information about how it all works in Solaris at all. Shutter speed, we have shutter open and shutter close. It uses UsdTimeCode units, where 1 unit is 1 frame. So if we would have 0.25, it would be 1/4 of frame, and it would be 1/4 of UsdTimeCode unit of 1 unit. So how do you calculate it? Basically, you take your FPS, here they are, 24 FPS in my case, in my scene, and divide it by shutter speed from your camera. And then you get a shutter value. To get your shutter open and shutter close, you divide that by 2, and you have your values. So as we have here, it calculates blur into the past and into the future, like in this case. Calculates it like we have it right in the middle, frame 60, and calculates it movement forward and movement backward at the same time. What you can do with it, if you have two values, you can do something like this. You can set up blur into the past and do not set it up into the future. And in this case, we can get something like this, and calculates blur behind your animated object and not into the future. And yeah, I suppose that's all I wanted to show today. I hope it was useful and interesting.